Namaste teachers, welcome to the part 2 tutorial of Active Presenter. In part 1, I explained about how to use Active Presenter to convert your PowerPoint presentation into video, how to create slides in video, and how to import PowerPoint in video. Now I am going to show you in today's part, that is how to record a software simulation. So let's begin with it. So when you want to show your students how to use a particular software and you give step-by-step demonstration, you can record that software simulation. So in that software simulation, you are not visible, only software is visible. So let us see how to start it. See, record software simulation. It means only the screen will be recorded and teacher will not be seen in the videos. Now I have clicked on that software simulation and I opened the software that I wanted to demonstrate the simulation. So here I opened Paint 3D and just did some activities. Showed how to insert various shape, how to use the colors. I did some activity and I stopped the recording. So I stopped the recording. Once my all activity is done, then how it appears in Active Presentation. You can see this window. Now it can be converted into videos. When you are doing the things in the software simulation, you will find many tool tips appear in the videos. You can see the tool tips over here. Many tool tips appear that those are not visible during your simulation, but when you are preparing it or converting it into video, or you are converting it into the PDF file, all these tool tips will be appearing in different colors. So I showed you in the last video how to convert it into the project into video. Now today I will show you how to convert it into PDF file and how it will look. So when I clicked on PDF document, so the project will be converted, the video will be converted into PDF form. Read all the sectors in the dialog box. See slides per page 2 and the page orientation, etc., and where to save. Now it is saved. See how the document will appear. You can see various descriptions of the actions of the demonstration. You are just doing at that time, but you are not observing the things, but these things technically captured by the software Active Presenter, and those are appearing over here. So this is very good software simulation recording. I'm very impressed with this. Whenever you want to prepare a video for your students, you can just simply convert that video into PDF form. Now one more additional benefit of converting it into PDF, you can simply take the printouts and you can distribute to the student. So when they are working on that particular software, they are seeing your notes, the printouts, and they are performing their actions according to that. So that's why I converted this video into PDF, but otherwise even you can convert it into the normal video, so they will see you. Now most important part, and that's why the teachers love this software called Active Presenter. It can record your video with a presenter. So I'm coming back to the software and clicking on the record video. When I click on record video, one toolbar will appear showing the recording area, audio cam, webcam, audio on, level, and recording. So what do you mean by recording area? Full screen means whole window and all the screen, all the parts of the screen will be recorded. Once you click on custom, then you can minimize the area, and that area will be only captured. You can make this video on and off, and this is the preview of yourself. And audio on, you can keep this volume maximum, so your volume will be maximum in the video, and just click on the record button. Once you click, this recording bar will be displayed, or it will be minimized in the tray, and then run your PowerPoint. Now even your image is recording, but it's not seen on the screen. It will appear after the recording is finished, but it is there. So you can see what your camera that is on. If there is LED near it, you can see the LED is on. So its recording is on. Now you can start this PowerPoint presentation, and you can narrate it. You can explain it whatever you want to narrate with the PowerPoint. You can start your narration, play the slideshow, and run the show and speak. So complete your PowerPoint and then minimize. So after completion of your PowerPoint presentation, open the system tray from taskbar. You will find the icon of active presenter. Click on that icon to stop the recording, and this recording toolbar will appear. Click on stop, or you can pause it over here, so you can stop it. So once it is stopped, the whole recording along with the PowerPoint presentation will be appearing in active presenter. Now here in active presenter, you can observe the PowerPoints. This window is there, and even your image is appeared over here. So you can find this dot. It means this image can be resized and replaced. So you can move it, whatever area is minimum used in the PowerPoint, in that place, in that corner, you can keep your video. Otherwise that will be disturbing to the content of the video. You can minimize or maximize your view. See, in this way I have minimized and I have kept my video to the down corner of the left side. So in that way I can resize it, my videos, in the PowerPoint. Let us see once it is done with the video, the resizing of your video, then you can see the timeline. The timelines over here. You can see the encircled option. It helps you to split your video. Suppose you want to cut your video from somewhere. Generally, when initially you are shooting something, so preparation part comes in the video that you want to cut and delete. So play the video, pause it whenever you want to cut, pause it, and then click on this icon that will split the video. So once it is split, then you can click on the select. You can select the portion that you want to delete and click on delete option. It will appear after right click. Even you can see this encircle part, this part, and you see the lock is open. Lock is open means that item is available for editing. If it is locked, then you cannot edit that particular object, that particular item. You can lock and unlock as many times as you want. Remember, once you want to edit or delete it or cut it, so you need to open this lock. Once it is open, then you can certainly cut and delete. Now once editing is done, then you can directly send your video to YouTube if you want to upload, but that purpose you need to sign in. Then if you are not uploading on YouTube, now save it. See the option of saving, convert So we are exporting this video. We are exporting this video in this technical dimension. See where it is saved, and click on OK. Then it will show a progress bar and it will be converted, and it will ask you to view. Then click on it and you will see where that particular file is saved. Then you can view it and you can see it. So in this way you can prepare a PowerPoint presentation which you are present in the PowerPoint presentation. So if you simply preparing a PowerPoint presentation without you, that will be little bit technical. If you are preparing video with you, so that will be more connected, and it will look live, and your gestures will explain more things about the content which is not there in the passive text. So thank you very much for watching this part 2 of Active Presenter. There are paid version and free version. Free version are enough. There are many facilities. Those are sufficient to prepare a PowerPoint video including a presenter. So you can use it and let the students learn more and more from you. Thank you.